Paying Booking.com commission for your hotel or property listing is typically done through the Booking.com extranet, their online platform for property owners. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to pay Booking.com commission online. Log into extranet. Go to the Booking.com extranet website and log in with your property's credentials. Access Finance section. Once logged in, navigate to the Finance or Financial Overview section. This is where you'll find information related to your payments. Review your invoice. Look for the invoice that details the commission you owe to Booking.com. You can usually find this under Unpaid Invoices or Outstanding Payments. Select Payment Method. Choose your preferred payment method. This could be credit card, bank transfer, or other available options. Enter payment details. Provide the necessary payment details, including your credit card information or bank account details. Verify payment amount. Ensure that the amount you're paying matches the commission mentioned in your invoice. Confirm payment. Review the payment information one last time and confirm the payment. Payment confirmation. After completing the payment, you should receive a confirmation on Booking.com extranet and, if applicable, a confirmation email.